reyo nikech dok chien mar nyak mag kothe. Magi timore nikech medruok mag kothe manyasani mosemedore e dukni mapachoka. Wachore ni medruok mag kothe go osemiyo thoth jopur wito maino magin godo e weche mag pur. Jolony weche mag pur lero ni koso bedo kod ng'eyo matut emomiyo jopur donjo e midhiero makamago. Omiyo onego giyud puonj moromo e wi tiyo gi lony manyasani e pur mondo giti gi pesa matin e pur kendo yuto margi mondo omedre.
Lack of knowing has brought them a problem of spending more and getting low small return. So we want to advise the farmer on how and what are the methods that they can use to ensure that they use low cost of production and ensure they have maximum profit.
Farming is a business, so when the farmers are coming, they will come learn the new technologies. Farming as a business, ask questions, interact with us, new methodology, technology, farm equipment, machineries.
If you happen to buy the wrong seed and plant and then you don't get the yields, definitely you will quit that business. You will quit farming. And therefore, slowly by slowly, we will have the number of farmers that are getting involved in farming activities diminishing. And therefore, definitely, that is a threat to national security in terms of food security.